Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling TV. Today's topic is business development. Now, there's two ways to get business development growth. That is from your current clients spending more or from brand new clients coming into your business. So today I want to talk about your current clients spending more. Now, I go have a lot of reps and they do a lot of servicing and they're great at relationships, but when we go out there, I feel like sometimes they're just taking an order or popping in to check they're okay or having a coffee or taking them for lunch or just almost going through the motions. And I ask you this, what are you adding to your client when you see them? Because if your business growth, which is the easiest way to get growth, by the way, is from your current clients, they need to see you come in and rejoice. Here they come, they're going to bring me ideas, they're going to bring me extra value. They know my industry, they know my business, they know my clients, if that's relevant. They know exactly what my goal is, and they're standing beside me looking at that goal. They're saying to me each time, how can I help your business grow? That's who you need to be. You need to have your blinkers off and your observation high and tell them each time, how can I help your growth? Because that is why you're there. To get more business out of your current clients is honestly the easiest step. So I ask you, when you go and see your current clients, think to yourself, what am I going to add to their business? If you found this top tip interesting, then do comment below. If you've got a colleague that you think would find it useful, then share. And if you'd like more tips on how to grow your business fast from current clients or from new clients, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.